Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
Today is Friday and my package from ASOS just came in and I want to unbox it.
I know you said it in the heat of the moment, but did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heartbeat ding out your chest, and your sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh, oh. I feel it too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh. I know this feeling's are new. Oh, baby.
Hi guys, good morning, happy weekend. Today is Saturday and I have a brand lot to attend, so they invited me to attend their launch. Then I'll be picking some outfits that I'm going to use to create content for them. So I'll be doing fittings, and yeah, before I go there I'm going to go to the office, go do my work, also go to some brands that I manage, and yeah, just nothing serious to do basically. So I'm about to have my bath, I'll do my makeup and leave. Let's say by 10 I should be out of the house.
That awkward silence when you just don't know if you might have made a mistake. Yeah, yeah. Had a suspicion, I was secretly hoping that we were on the same page. Cause your chest, your sweat, and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh, oh. I feel it too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. It's too late cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. Ooh, oh, oh.
Hi guys, good morning. So today's Sunday and I just wanted to show you the things that I got from yesterday's launch. So they gifted me, so yesterday's launch was a Cambili collection release from LB Easywear by the brand Lady Bieber. So they gifted me an outfit and let me show you guys what it is. So I picked out this two-piece set. It's called their Binta set. It's a shorts and a top with tie, a tie top, off shoulder kind of top thing. So I'm going to be wearing this today. I'm going to gallery today, so I'm wearing this outfit. Yeah, I forget, my scarf is also from the brand. I'm already using it to tie my hair down. So that's it guys, I'll see you guys later.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay stay looking out the window? And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is Wednesday. The carpenter has finally refunded me my money. Like, I saw him on the way and I stopped and waited for him to transfer my money on the spot. But I found another carpenter that would do the mirror for me. But the way things are expensive now, the price of the mirror is now like ×2 and more of the price. So now I have to increase the money that I have to give this new carpenter to make mirror for me. So today I want to retouch my hair because tomorrow I want to braid. I've been using this LB Easy Wear hair scarf to wrap my hair for the past days now. Then when I'm back from the salon, I'm going to do an unboxing. Yeah, I got some few home goods.
You're a pretty little Bobby playing every time I got you, you do. Yeah, you hold me on so softly, and you feed me, and you watch me, you do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet, you do. Yeah, you pressing all my buttons, you be turning to me on, yeah, you do. I like the way it feels to be on your screen. Skin on me. You's a pretty little Barbie playing with me, Tamagotchi, you do. Girl, you hold me on so softly, and you feed me, and you watch me, you do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet, you do. Where you pressing all my buttons, you be turning at me on, yeah, you do. I like the way it feels.
Hi guys, so I just got back home. Yeah, the things I wanted to show you guys are just some home fragrances. So I stopped by this store. I got them from this store called Bonsai. I'll leave their Instagram handle. I got this Bona. I've always wanted a Bona because I usually buy fragrance oil and I just drop them at the corners of my room. Basically, I'm wasting them. But with this, maybe this will do a good job. So I got Bona and it came with some candles. This cost like 4,000, but they gave me for 3,500. Then I got this room spray. I got this for 6,000 naira. Then they gifted me this clean cotton, white lilac and amber reed diffuser. Yeah, so that's all I got. I'm just going to set them up now because I've been wanting to do that for so long.
language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately, I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back